Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the Alex topic, factoring out a monomial from a polynomial univariate. So we're going to only have one variable in our problem, so univariate is one variable. So we're going to factor this out. So we're looking for our greatest common factor. The only thing that differs factoring out a monomial from factoring out a normal greatest common factor is a monomial honestly doesn't mean a whole lot different, but except for it's specifically telling us there might be variables involved is what they're trying to imply here. So looking at this, we'll do it separately. So we have 10 and 4. So the greatest common factor of those is 2, right? And then the greatest common factor of w and w to the third, we're always going to go up with the lower variable. So this is to the first and that's to the third. So I'm going to pull out w, or w to the first. Then remember that factoring is a form of polynomial division. So I'm going to put my remainder in here. So that just means I'm going to take each of these terms and divide it by that 2w and see what's left over. So normally you won't write this out, but just to show you guys kind of what I'm doing here. So I have 10w divided by 2w. These cancel, and I'm done 10 over 2, which is 5. And then I'm just going to bring this plus sign over. Then here, I'm going to have 4w cubed divided by 2w. So here, I can lose one of these to cancel this out, but I still have 2 left. So I had 3 and 1, so I have 2 left over. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 4 over 2 is 2w squared. There. And that's your monomial that you pulled out of the polynomial. Remember, you can always check. There's kind of 2 things to keep in mind here. You can check by distributing this back in to make sure that you end up where you started. And also, however many terms are in your polynomial, you need to have the exact same number of terms in your remainder. Even if something completely divided out, you're going to put a 1 there. So I had 2 terms here, and I have 2 terms in here. So that means I'm probably on the right track.